Okay, good morning, everyone. I just want to do a quick market recap of yesterday's price action, the trades we got into, the trades we missed, and what I was looking for. So if we had a have a look, I was anticipating the daily high to be swept, which happened yesterday, and I was waiting on the sell, the retracement after this daily high was swept, which I did actually miss. So I had a pending order that wasn't activated. Price didn't go back. We'll just go back to that area and have a look. 15 minutes. So here we go. So, oh no, that's not it. 11:30. Hang on. Must have been here. So yeah, so pre New York. So we had then here our breaker structure here on the 15-minute, but I'm taking it off the 1 minute. So if we drop down to the one, we'll see where I actually attempted to get in but failed. Price didn't go back and activate me. It just absolutely freaking flew. Let's see. Around 1800. Yeah, so here, so this is where our chock occurred, and as you can see, price melted. It was over 2R on this particular trade. As you can see, price didn't come back to activate the trade. It would have on this leg, but obviously the move had already happened. So I wasn't looking for a further sell after this point. I closed my pending order. And then we had the buy side. So I did get into the buy side. So I could see sell side liquidity had been taken on the higher time frame from this move down. And then I'd seen this here. So we had this order block form, and then we had this chock. I got in on this leg here at 9. So I got in before the open. I knew it was a risk, and I had my stop loss fairly tight, as you can see, just at these lows. And I got stopped out here. So at 9:26, just before the open, it drove down, took me out, and then went off. So the bias was correct. It's just this leg here wasn't where it was going to start. It just went for that little bit more, took out the stop losses and then off it went. So I, again, didn't get into this one because I'd done my 2 trades the day. So in my rule box, 2 trades, what I did do is I paper traded it. I put a pending here. It didn't activate, as you can see. It just absolutely flew. If I was so-called trading and wanted to, you could have probably got in. Oh, no, you wouldn't have even been activated on this leg here. Oh, you would have if you got in on this one. Yeah, if you got in on this FBG, you would have. It would have been tapped in, so you would have been activated 9:42. So that would have been still fine, and you would have got, I believe, 2R off that trade quite easily. Let's have a look. But for me, I just wanted to stick to my rule book: 2 max trades, 2R. That's it. You know what I mean? So yeah, so that would have got, yeah, you could have easily got more than 2R on that second run up. So some people caught this, which was nice. I was unlucky with catching it here, getting stopped out, but that's fine. We're still up for the day. We had 2R during London session, which was a lovely trade. But yeah, it would have been nice to have caught the sell. Would have just been done for the day, but it is what it is. I mean, in trading, we've just got to take the ups with the downs. But yeah, really good price action. So if we look at the daily now for today, let's have a look. So like I said, for that last trade, I was anticipating higher prices. Why? Because we'd taken out the daily high, the previous daily high. That says to me, price wants to go higher. We want to close higher. And if we look, we've now closed as well above this daily high range. So we have created a new high up here on NASDAQ. So yeah, very interesting. So whether we get a bit of the same type of price action today, like a retracement back to push up further for New York, is definitely possible. So we'll just have to see what happens. It's very early in the piece, Asia session in the morning, so we're not going to see a hell of a lot at the minute. We've just got price accumulating, which is great. I love to see accumulation before London. So as long as this keeps accumulating, doesn't expand, we should see a good model during London, may get a good trade. So that's what I'll be looking for today and then go from there. So yeah, so that's our little recap. I hope some people got some solid trades yesterday as well, and I'll catch you for London session.